sandwich composite panels. Precision crafted by Richome Vehicle, with advanced tech for global industrial excellence and reliability. Today, we'd like to take you behind the scenes of Richome Vehicle's sandwich composite panel production. Our journey starts with frame welding, the backbone of every panel. Guided by cutting-edge automated systems and our skilled technicians, we craft robust, dimensionally accurate frames that ensure structural integrity. Next comes core filling, a step that balances performance and sustainability. We use high-grade, eco-friendly fillers tailored to meet diverse needs, whether it's thermal insulation, soundproofing, or lightweight efficiency. Then we move to vacuum pressing, the secret to seamless bonding. Using state-of-the-art vacuum equipment, we apply uniform pressure to the assembled structure, eliminating air gaps and forging a tight, long-lasting bond between layers. Finally, precision carving adds the finishing touch. With computer-controlled carving technology, we shape each panel to exact specification, whether it's custom cutouts, edges, or surface textures.
At Richome Vehicle, we build partnership with premium sandwich panels, cutting-edge gear, expert team, cost-effective, high-performance for auto construction industry. Inviting global cooperation, join hands for multi-success. Contact us. You trust a composite panel.